Hey everybody, welcome to the channel and welcome to a new video in Plasticity. My name is Mike and today we're going to be modeling a coffee mug, right? Okay, so we're going to go to object mode or hit 4 on your keyboard. We're going to click on this guy, we're going to hit delete, and then we're going to start with the base of our mug, right? For that, we're going to grab a circle, left click and go up to the top one, the center circle. We're going to click, we're going to pull that out. Let's say that is the base for our mug, okay? Then what we're going to do is we're going to hit extrude. And we want to do that with face selected. Yeah, let me try that again. And there you go. That's going to be kind of the base of the mug, if you will. Then from here, we're going to click offset. So we're going to click on O. And we're going to pull that in to about there. Click on OK. Then we're going to offset that face. So we're going to pull that up until we have the appropriate height. And whenever you're doing something like this, I like to look at it in perspective mode for the simple reason that it looks a little bit more natural. So that might be right. Let's go a little lower. Let's say that's the correct height. Okay, we're going to click on OK. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go to edge mode and we're going to select these two edges and we're going to hit B for fillet and we're going to kind of round that off. Good. So that's the main shape, which is of course very, very easy to do. And then we need to create the ear of the mug. Okay. So for that, we're going to jump to this shoe right here. Then we're going to grab a circle. Center circle, and we're gonna drag that out until we got something like maybe a bit smaller, something like this. All right, we're gonna hit offset. We're gonna drag that in until we have the correct thickness, which would be something like that. All right. Then we're going to click on OK. We're going to go to our trim tool. We're going to get, let's see, we're actually going to cut a line in half here to get, otherwise we're going to be deleting the whole circle. So we're going to go in here and we're going to go just inside like this, right click. Then we're going to go to our trim tool. We're going to delete that, we're going to delete that, and we're going to keep that, of course. We're going to delete this and this. All right, cool. Click on OK. Then we're going to get rid of this view right here, and we're going to go to face mode. To face mode. We're going to extrude, and as we're doing that, we're going to hit the tab key. So we're extruding both ways, and that looks to be about right, I would say. We're going to click on OK. That looks fine. And then we want that to be a bit rounded. So we're going to go to edge mode. Let me turn off this guy. We're going to click on this, 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 and this. All right, then we're gonna hit a B to fillet that. We're gonna pull until we get something looking like this. We're gonna click on OK. Then we can go in here and we can get rid of that face if you like. We don't need that anymore. What I can actually do is just hide these. There you go. And there is our very simple coffee mug, right? That's all there's to it. Okay, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let me know. Let me just move this guy a little out so it's not sticking through the wall. There you go. And yeah, that's it. Alright guys, well that's how you make a very simple coffee mug. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, you know what to do. Please hit that subscribe button and I'd love to see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye.